Hi, I'm Jonathan, product engineer with LexisNexis. I work with law firms of all types and sizes, and one thing we often talk about is generating documents. When I ask how they do things, it's very common for them to say something like, well, we find the last version and then we make a copy of it and then we go through and we update it. And then I'll usually ask, well, how's that working for you? And a lot of times I'll kind of get I mean, the reality is a lot of times that can be very time consuming. It can be very imprecise, very easy to miss stuff. And in a lot of cases, documents that are outputted have a lot of variation and inconsistencies. So can Time Matters help? Absolutely. So let's go take a look.
The concept behind document assembly tools like Time Matters is pretty simple. You establish a template that has the text you need, and insert tokens into the template that will be populated into the document when you generate it. This is typically a one-time process unless you need to make changes to the template. And once done, the steps can be very simple as selecting, say, a contact or matter, selecting the template, clicking Merge. And there's your document.
If there's any type of document that your firm generates frequently, Time Matters can help you do it easier, faster, and with higher quality results.